Саламатсыздарбы? Менин атым Сара. Мен Америкадан келдим. Issy-Kulda жашайм. Мен Корпус мюрредан волонтер. Today I swam across Lake Issuk-Kul on the route that the famous horse Guru Igor did. And my motivation was to advocate for healthy lifestyles and getting active and accomplishing your goals, anything you want to do, just going out and doing it. And also to show that females can be in sports and compete just as well as men can. Sports can teach you a lot about teamwork and time organization and communication between team members, and just teach you a lot about yourself. Swimming specifically gives you a lot of time to think.